This is a left lifted increase into garter stitch. So the first thing I'm going to do is knit the stitch, and my increase is going to come on the other side of the stitch to the left. So I want to get this purl bump here on my needle. That's the one 2 rows down in that same stitch column. So I'm going to pick that up onto my needle. This is the stitch I'm going to use to knit into. So you can see the right leg is in back and the left leg is in front. So I'm going to knit it through the back loop so it doesn't twist, because usually your stitch would be oriented with the right leg in front and the left leg in back. So this is my left lifted increase into garter stitch, and the next one is going to be a right lifted increase into garter stitch, an increase from this stitch. So I'm going to go underneath here and get the purl bump right under the stitch 2 rows down in the same column, and that's going to be placed on my needle. The right leg is in front and the left leg is in back, so I can knit this as usual. So that is my right lifted increase plus the stitch that I increased from. So these 2 stitches in the middle here, this is a left lifted increase and a right lifted increase. This is a left lifted increase and a right lifted increase into stockinette stitch. So these 2 stitches in the middle here are stockinette, even though the rest is garter stitch. So now we're going to be using the purl bumps, these 2 purl bumps, instead of a purl bump that is 2 rows below. So the purl bumps that these 2 stitches are coming out of right now. So for the left lifted increase, I'm going to knit 1 stitch and then reach around back, and I want to grab that purl bump that my stitch has come out of. So you can see again the right leg is in back and the left leg is in front, which is opposite to how I want my stitches mounted. So I'm going to knit into the back of that stitch so I can keep it from being twisted. Next, for the right lifted increase, I'm going to go behind the next stitch on my needle and grab the purl bump here. So my stitch is coming right out of that purl bump, and I'm going to put it up onto my left needle. And now I am going to knit that stitch and knit the original stitch as well. So now I have 2 more increases right in the middle here.